Imagine stumbling upon ancient, alien-like structures, not on another planet, but right here on Earth. Hidden deep within the Gobi Desert lie formations so bizarre, scientists are still debating their origins. What if these aren't just rocks, but remnants of something far stranger? Tonight, we journey into one of Earth's harshest and most enigmatic landscapes to uncover the secrets buried in the sands of the Gobi. Stay with me, because what you're about to hear might just change the way you see our planet. The Gobi Desert stretches across northern China and southern Mongolia, a vast, barren expanse of sand, rock, and silence. To outsiders, it looks lifeless, but beneath the scorching sun and chilling winds lies a history few dare to explore. Unlike the shifting dunes of the Sahara, the Gobi conceals jagged outcrops, sculpted pillars, and stone labyrinths that seem almost deliberate in design. Travelers describe them as ruins without builders. Some formations rise like towers, their surfaces etched with strange patterns. Others resemble colossal gateways leading nowhere. Locals call them the sleeping giants of stone. But here's where it gets darker. When examined closely, some formations appear to have geometric alignments, lines and angles that mimic architecture. Are they mere coincidences of erosion, or evidence of something more? Geologists argue these structures are the product of millions of years of wind, sand blasting, and tectonic shifts. Natural artistry at its finest. But others aren't convinced. Satellite imagery has revealed clusters of formations arranged in patterns that resemble city layouts. Some scientists suggest underground volcanic activity might explain their shapes. Yet anomalies remain, cave-like hollows that echo unnaturally when sound is produced. Magnetic distortions near certain rock clusters, where compasses refuse to point north. And perhaps most chilling of all, formations resembling massive, petrified organisms, as if life itself had been frozen in stone. These mysteries have left experts divided. Some dismiss them as pareidolia, the human tendency to see patterns where none exist. But others whisper of ancient civilizations or forces beyond our comprehension. The people who live on the Gobi's edges tell stories passed down for centuries. They speak of spirits that walk the sands at night, lured by the shapes of the stones. They tell of gates that open under moonlight, leading to places where no man returns. Some legends even describe beings of stone who once roamed the desert, turned to rock as punishment by angry gods. Mongolian shamans avoid certain areas, calling them the forbidden stones. Travelers report hearing low hums at night, as if the desert itself is alive, breathing through its formations. And then there are the explorers who vanished without a trace, last seen heading toward these peculiar structures, their camps abandoned, their tracks ending abruptly in the sand. Coincidence? Or something more sinister guarding the desert's secrets? Let's look deeper at three of the strangest anomalies found in the Gobi sands. The stone spirals, perfect concentric circles carved into rock as if drilled by machines, but no tool marks, no human presence, just silent spirals in the middle of nowhere. The shadow towers, formations that cast elongated shadows that don't match their structure. Some even appear to bend light unnaturally. Pilots flying overhead have reported seeing phantom cities at sunset. The forbidden arches. Natural stone arches so precise, so perfectly shaped, they resemble ancient gateways. Locals say stepping through them invites misfortune. Some researchers claim the ground beneath them emits unusual radiation. Each anomaly pushes the limits of what we call natural. Each one whispers of forces we may not yet understand.
Here's the question that lingers. What if the most peculiar landscapes on our planet aren't simply the result of millions of years of erosion, but something else entirely? What if we're looking at remnants of a lost civilization, older than history itself? Or worse, what if these structures are not remnants at all, but markers, signals, even warnings from something far beyond human comprehension? The Gobi Desert doesn't just challenge geology, it challenges our understanding of Earth's story.
The next time you look at a barren desert, remember, emptiness is an illusion. The Gobi hides secrets we've only begun to scratch. Secrets that could rewrite history or remind us how little we truly know about the world we live in. So I'll leave you with this question. When the sands finally shift and reveal the truth, will we be ready to accept what we find? Don't forget to subscribe to Dark Mystery Coordinates, because the truth may be stranger than you think.